Getting started with Anaconda. Here in our tutorial, we have selected Anaconda to demonstrate how to write the code and how to execute and how to install Anaconda on your system. So at first we are supposed to go to this respective website, and there we'll be getting two download links, one for Python 3.6 version, another for Python 2.7 version. Here I have loaded my Anaconda on my Windows machine, on my Windows laptop. So that's why I clicked on this Python 3.6 version here. And here we are having two types. One is the 64-bit version, and the one is the 32-bit version. So I selected Python 3.6 version 64-bit. Then this particular screen will come, and then I shall have to click on the next. Then this license agreement will come. You can read this agreement, and then you are supposed to click on this I agree. Then you can have two options. One is the just for me, another one for all users. So I have selected just me. So now I shall click on this next. So next, this Anaconda, the version 3, Anaconda 3 version 5.1.0 64-bit setup will be initiated, and here I'm supposed to select the destination folder. So if you want to stick with the default folder, whatever it has been decided, so you can take this particular folder, otherwise you can go for browse and select another folder there, and then click on this next, and it is showing that what is the total size it requires. It requires 2.5 GB of space available. So now here we are having this add Anaconda to my path environment variable and registered Anaconda as my default Python 3.6 editor. So in this way I have selected this option. Also you can select this one also, and then we are supposed to click on this install. So now the Python is getting installed, so it will go percentage wise, this progress bar will be proceeding, and in this way the installation will be obtained. You can click on the show details so that you can get the idea what are the files in which destination folders are getting loaded, are getting installed. Then installation complete will be obtained, and here you see the full progress bar has been filled up. So installation has been completed. You can go for the show details, and then you can click on the next. After clicking on the next, you will be coming to this particular screen, and it will ask whether you are supposed to install the Visual Microsoft VS Code or not. If you require to install that one, you can install it. Otherwise, you can go for the skip. So here this is the final screenshot we have provided you. So now in this particular screenshot, it has been told that the Anaconda has been installed successfully, and it will be the default Python editor. And in this particular screen, it is just asking to click on the finish. You can also go for the go back, and then after finishing, the installation will get completed. So in the next videos, we'll be going for the Python program execution through this Anaconda 3 editor. So how to use that one, we'll be showing that one in the next videos, and we'll be running so many different programs and codes in our video in the next successive discussions. Thanks for watching this.